In this video, we will discuss how the most popular and widely used currency in the world is made and provide some insights into banknotes of various denominations. Money production is a fundamental part of the modern economic system. Money plays a crucial role in the exchange of goods and services, serving as a medium of exchange and a store of value. Despite its everyday nature, the process of creating money has a complex history closely tied to the development of society and technology. Dollars are born at the United States Bureau of Engraving and Printing, which is part of the U.S. Department of the Treasury. The Bureau, founded in 1862 in Washington, specializes in the production of securities, primarily banknotes, and employs over 2,000 people. It all starts with engraving on steel plates, crafted by masters who have dedicated at least 10 years to this art. This painstaking work, akin to jewelry craftsmanship, requires precise and meticulous effort. The quality of engraving determines the level of protection against counterfeiting. Once the engraving is ready, a special type of paper needs to be created. Dollars are not printed on ordinary wood-based paper to prevent yellowing over time. Instead, they are made from a mixture consisting of 25% linen thread and 75% cotton, reinforced with synthetic fibers. The paper-making process involves 8 stages. Initially, the linen and cotton mixture is boiled, then cleaned and bleached, pressed, and processed in a machine where it is softened at a specific temperature and turned into a homogeneous mass. The banknotes produced on this paper have an internal layer that is nearly impossible to counterfeit. Watermarks on dollars are created when fibers are pulled from this layer in a specific order. Additionally, during the paper preparation stage, protective strips are sewn into it, a feature introduced in the latest banknote designs. After these steps, the paper is dried under a special press, then rolled into enormous rolls with a width of 2.5 meters and a weight of over 4 tons. The paper already contains watermarks and security threads, and each roll is used to produce banknotes of a specific denomination. From each such roll, 3.5 billion $100 bills can be printed. The banknote manufacturing process consists of 6 stages, each aimed at protecting against counterfeiting. After the engraver's work, unique machines take over, printing simultaneously on both sides. These machines complement the banknotes with various colors and barely noticeable numbers. Thank you for watching until the end. Stay tuned for the next video. It will be even more interesting. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss anything.
In the workshop, where the money gets at the final stage, the sheets are finally cut. After that, they are counted and packed. Now they are ready to be sent to the Federal Reserve Bank, from where they will flow in a wide river to various banks in the USA, Europe, and other countries where dollars are so needed. Over the past 2022, the U.S. Bureau of Engraving and Printing produced 16.6 billion banknotes. The cost of making each banknote, regardless of the denomination, is only 10 cents. All modern dollar bills have the same size of 6.14 by 2.61 inches, regardless of the denomination. In order for the banknote to become unusable and tear, it needs to be bent 4,000 times. According to the U.S. Federal Reserve System, the service life of a $1 bill is approximately 22 months. Thank you for watching to the end. We are waiting for you in the next issues. Subscribe and put a notification so that you don't miss anything.